Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kani kedai ke kenhon jong kisah ngot kitrai jong kisah Tylli ki petrol pump ki beran hakeleng kani kerilum khasi bajantia. Ki bahadien bakila persang da bon ki boy. Banyok plebiang ye ki petrol pump jong ki, wat hadien bakila let sedu ke yeng syariru. Kam syam na saiso hadu mentah. Bat poi sya upot ban pelong no da kejingki. Hapo ka syatri jong ka Petroleum Dealers Association Meghalaya. Haka khandai trek mentau naiwing araja ka khandai, hapo kejingelam jong Presiden Ubak Kennedy Kriem. Haka jingi kendo bat kinong patai kubor hasilong press club. Kani ka kanhon kalayathu banadu kan riu trek unai lar mentau snam araja ka khandai. Ka kanhon jong ka Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union. Kala Khang BA ni ki kali kit Umphniang ban wan Pynpoi ya ka Umphniang petrol ba diesel syaki Tylli ki petrol pump ki badan hakani garilum khasi bajantia bakan top ya ka Milliam service station ka badan hakasnong Milliam ka Nongstoin highway service station hanong spong ka Rilingam service station Haryangdo bat ka PowerPoint service station Hakleriat East Gentiles district kadawi baka kanhon jong ka Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union kala pensang Jubor ban Pynpoi Umphniang syaki ni ki Tylli ki petrol pump kadai tang namar ba utrai jong ka Milliam service station ula pensang traino ya wainong trai barjala ya balatep kerteng kum ujai Prakash Mishra naki kam le thok jong u hakikam pisa ya ki pai ba ki bon the Umphniang nakani ka petrol pump ka baran hakasnong Milliam wat hadin ba ka yeng syari Guwahati High Court kala hukum syaki company baju Pynpoi Umphniang syaki ni ki Tylli ki petrol pump ba ki dei ban Pynpoi ba ya ka Umphniang naka jing peteng ka kunhon jong ka Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union pan ban Khang Jubor ki kali ba Pynpoi Umphniang syaki ni ki petrol pump kala peteng hadu menta kumta kani ka kunhon kala rai ban ap satang sansngi ya kani ka jing syak Khang Pynpoi Umphniang bala da kadang yai peteng kan sapelong da ka jing pesange yadi yathiet petrol bat diesel haki arp sau kanta ka ban sedang nadu ka siteng senya jong ka arp san terek bat ka ban kot hadu ka arp hendru terek ka siteng senya menta unai weng arja ka khandai halor kani ke jingki jongki kani ke kanhon kalapan ro ke jing kersan naki paj ba namar kani ke jing syak Khang Jubor ki Tylli ki platform ka khata ro ki babon ki paj ba haki thain nong kandong khamta mi ki kali kit nong pang halor kani ke jingki ban Khang petrol pump na ka ban tashisngi ya kani ke kanhon la kersan ro de ka North East Petroleum Dealers Association
don Tylli ki petrol pump ki ba syak Khang ka lor ba kita ki petrol pump ki dei ka Milliam service station apa Milliam ka bade jong ka HPCL ka baar ni ka Nongstoin highway service station Nongspong ka de jong IOC ka balai ka de Rilingam service station Riangdo ka de jong IOC ba ka way ka PowerPoint service station Cleariat ka de jong ka HPC tikini ki petrol pump ki syak Khang amdai ba syak Khang ya ka petrol pump syak Khang ka supply na po TOP na po betkuchi goti atau ka don kini kowe ka association ka bagi khot ka Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union kani ka union ke joki kala Khang ya supply na do ka handriu trek upnai August bat kat hadu menta ka Assam iba bil de way na ki ide utra jong kowe na ki terpom ka boton na clear jong ka HPC nang ta bat slightly kini ki songut ki dealer kilalek banyak kendu keleng ya ki officer jong ka petroleum companies ya ka IOC ni ka HPC kelek banyak kendu ya ka Mazdoor Union hendrai kampoi sino te na kalian jong ini ki dealer kilalek license banyak kendu ban panjung bet pan appointment ya chief secretary jong Meghalaya ban pensyai ban batai ya ka ni ki jingsha yura ki ho ka jong ki hendrai ki khlamla banyak kendu Tendrai na kalian ke sarkar kilapha ya director jong ka food and civil supplies ban khot ya meeting ti ula khot ya meeting ha ka ba ki dealer saungut ki bala sya undu ya ka Umphniang ka association ke jongi ba ke APMU ngilai kendu andai kani ke jing kendu kam Pynpoi station no ka demand ke jong kini ki APMU kalong ya ka bangem la ban papai ti hadian nang ta ngilai kendu ro ya EDC jong ke Selong ma iri la khot terangkap ba ya ki company IOC ban HPCL ya ka APMU ya ka association ke jongi bat ya kini saungut ki petrol pump dealer hendai kani ke meeting ro kam Pynpoi silo ti kini ki dealer kila lek support Selong High Court Tinaka Selong High Court Kim
Meghalaya.
also Shillong High Court. Meghalaya High Court Shillong. Ti Kim Setre ban simkam nomor ki ong baka jurisdiction kam dei po kejengpe kejungki. Nomor wat ada kini ki Petrol Pump ki don po Meghalaya handai ke Jakalut ke don po Assam. Ti kini ki lek ban a ke writ petition supo ka Guwahati High Court. Bat nanti ke Guwahati High Court kalau ai ya ka jingkesha ya kini ki South Tylli ki Petrol Pump da ka bakal penmi ke order bakal ai saki oil company kalau ai saki district administration juga Assam baka supply saki ki pom kadai baniai handai hadu menta tampat lo ti kani ke berhoi kala kata hadu kata ya ka mamangi ngimpan sisyo.
So after the dealers tried and after 1 or 2 meetings nothing happened, then they approached our association, Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya, and we started pursuing the matter. We tried writing letter to the Chief Secretary. On 3 occasions we tried to take appointment, but we could not meet him. The appointment was not given, and he directed the matter to the Director of Food and Civil Supplies. So Director of Food and Civil Supplies called for a meeting with our association, the dealer, the 4 aggrieved dealers and Mazdoor Union. So that meeting also didn't reach anywhere. Then the DC also called for a meeting and it didn't result to a conclusion. And in the meantime, we also went to Guwahati on two different occasions, once with Hindustan Petroleum, once with IOC calling the meeting between us, the Mazdoor Union and the company. And basically, the thing is, it's not only the dealers who are suffering, like it is an essential commodity. And how can 4 petrol pumps be closed for 3 months? Because 4 petrol pumps being closed for 3 months means that whole area suffering. Because it is a product which everyone needs. Like for instance, the petrol pump in Riando, it is the only petrol pump in Riando. So the public there is suffering. People have to go to far-flung places, buy, come back during emergency times. If the ambulance needs, even though the petrol pump is there, but because the supply is not there, the petrol pump cannot cater. So from our association, finally, after having tried all the means and modes of approaching different authorities, seeking help, and the basic thing is because the court has given a judgment, an order. It has given 3 different orders. The Mazdoor Union wrote a letter to the 4 dealers that on 14th of September, that from 28th of September we'll be closing the supplies. So on 20th, the moment the supplies were closed, the 4 dealers went to Guwahati High Court and they filed a writ petition. And on that same day, the day of filing the writ petition, the Guwahati High Court gave its first order that Mazdoor Union cannot close the supplies. So supplies will not be closed. So that order was not implemented, though the order was clearly sent to the oil companies, to Mazdoor Union, but the order was not implemented. After that, the aggrieved dealers they further went and requested the court. So on 26th September, a second interim order came that the earlier order should be implemented in letter and spirit of the High Court, in which it even directed IOC, HPC and the district administration to implement this order. So that order also till date has not been implemented. And very sadly, we have to now take this step that from 25th of November, we'll go for a 24 hours closure. That means sales and supplies. We will be closing the petrol pumps for 24 hours. That is from midnight 25th November to midnight of 26th November. And it is very unfortunate we have to, come to this state. Even though the High Court is there, it's not like we are going out of the court. We are trying to do it how the system works. The legal way we have tried requesting people, we have tried requesting the administrations. So since no result is coming, so this is a step that we have to take.
Terakhir pula bunam tangan bertanya ni buat nombor. Kelas tu apa bunam nu bijak buram. Abagi customer kita teh sibuk kita siajar. Abagi li sabar tu ni kita langsung smart test pula. Kalau hak kita tidur, bab customer lu kiwan ban kroyo yuk try lo kani. Kalau masih wahap habek kami nak kepala nak kapor at senang yuk ni. Te hadin bantal habek kam union try boleh nu boleh report sa katoka AMPU. EPMU. Katu bre kali don bor kan. Kali don bor kali yang na jaka loading kali Khang yang kali ki bahan le supply saka Petrol pom jong ni utila. Te hata kadur cisimam tan Umphniang ke pom ke dry. Simpan dry nak bandi na ta kada tu gi break tu ki area ki sofa.
Pensenge yo nakakam ka bo train ni klem phate Umphniang su mi ai no di kam. Te hadin siblai kata bom phate Umphniang su wong bau lek nak sha snom. Tingiru ki klem bom nom yang tada village snom kala phapalan lala de ka por wan de katno Pynpoi wong ka simpor simnai wong le chuti te din la le. Ta hadin siblai klem wan phai. Yung one pie ni tung no do way le jakayo. Tu amo do way jakayo. One pie de akapor ko bang ni simple per khatsu undang one tray. Do one de ni ong bang nim don jakaso ban bu epi na mar pila one slam kapor foundation. Te hadin kita ule kuno ni na do wong mangan le tray no sha luati. Ada perlu stay kan tadi. Sekarang orang ni try uang kita di peraba ya try lah. Tinggi orang kabian kata lah dari lepas stay kam here ni. Te nimte pada bah ulit I complain sih ni. APMU. But kini ki APMU harus syakim dan jadi berni kidilah. Ni dan ka prerogative rights. Mo kahok no try bangin tungkang na ni bangin pensenge yeno namar bale namar kini baro kinong tray kide nong tray daily wage ni gimde ki organized sector mo ni ki private sole proprietorship firm mo ibalong try ngala di halagi te kata-kata ko lomba hakapor bang niya sign contract company ru ni sign ng dealership agreement ban comply to the terms condition to dan board ni siya giway di balong illegal bakin man interfere ka kam ka jam ko kiba don op ban interfere ki ditang tang kitu kiba dei hok siya kini kilong illegal isuan interfere illegal ka kam jam